Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create the lightning video effect using CapCut PC. Right. For example, I'm going to select the background and I'm going to add the overlay, resize and remove the background. Right. And I'm going to select basic and add the mod overlay, SK overlay, and I'm going to add effect. Select nature and select the lightning crack or lightning. No, I'm going to add the lightning and adjust for the duration in the same line. Alright, you can see. Alright, you can also add the audio. Just click audio and select the sound effect and just type under thunderbolt. So this is the final effect you have on your video. Right. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.